Today, take a look at the WORKPRO 2-in-1 knife. So this is one of the nicest utility knives that I've seen. I love that wood handle on there. You can see my latest favorite utility knife is this guy, this big red aluminum one. But if you miss the comfortable feel of a wood handle, this is the one that you're going to want. We do have a little hook right there. That pulls this guy out. And it does have a pretty satisfying snap. So we can see that does lock in right here. So we just press this little lever down and that will allow it to close. So the release mechanism for the blade is a little bit unique on this one. So it's got a little button right here that you push up and that will allow the blade to release. Now my initial thought on that is that if we were to have it like that and then we need to like push down and drag across, will the blade come out? But it doesn't look like it will because it has a completely different mechanism. So that's important for me and I'm glad that they actually thought of that. I also really like that it just kind of clicks into. We can see it does come with WORKPRO brand blades. I've used these things plenty in the past, so these are very good blades. It actually comes with another 10 pack and it even has its own little case. So we can eject those things. The next one becomes available. Very nice. I use utility blades a lot, and I still know that this pack is going to last me a long time. And it does feel pretty darn good in the hand. I like how when the blade is out, this becomes hollow, so you got kind of a spot where you can put your finger. It's a nice design. We do have a belt clip, but on the other side, we've got our full blade. I don't use these things that often, but when you need them, you need them. Just because this blade is a little bit too small for a lot of applications. I love these things because you never have to sharpen them. As soon as they go dull, you just take the thing out and replace it. But just like with anything, it does have its limitations. This guy, for anything where you'd be better off by being able to cut a little bit deeper or just for like scraping the surface evenly, this is going to be a little bit more useful. So the fact that it has the two most useful blades, in my opinion, makes this a very useful tool. I still like my red blade for doing a lot of utility work, but I think this is going to be much better for something like an everyday carry knife. That is a very nice knife.